Let me show you guys how you can catch a big move on stocks that just had their IPOs, especially these penny stock IPOs, meaning stocks that usually range from $1 to $10. These IPOs can be very volatile, so where do you find a good entry? It's all about having patience and waiting for the right setup. You have to wait for the stock to settle, let it make its initial move, and then watch it retrace to an area that can be a great entry. This way you can efficiently manage your risk and realistically set your price target. And the reason why we're interested in these IPO penny stocks is because of the price range that it trades in during its initial run. Like I said, they can be very volatile and price can fluctuate drastically, making the opportunity to make money even higher only if you're able to find that great entry. So I wanted to show you two perfect examples that fulfill these requirements for a successful move, and then show you one that I think is about to do the same thing. This is DTCK. It made its debut last month in September, and you can see how volatile it was opening day. It ranged from $4 to $9, which is crazy. This is something you don't want to trade. Like I said, you want to let the stock settle down. And as you can see in the coming days from its IPO, it continued to make a move down. We still definitely didn't want to trade this, but then you can see around this area, it finally started finding some support. It makes a slight move up in the beginning of October, but again, you still don't want to buy here. You want to see higher lows and volume pick up a bit, and that's exactly what started happening around here. So I used a tool called a Fibonacci retracement, and the way it works, I draw a bullish Fibonacci from a low to a high, which in this case would be from this low to this high. Now this orange and this purple line are the 50% and the 61.8% retracement respectively. And I consider these the golden pockets of the Fibonacci retracement because when price action approaches either of these two lines, there's a good chance the stock is going to reverse. So you could see the stock broke out on this day, and then the days following it retraced to this purple line and used it as support. And then yesterday it used the 50% retracement as support. And look what happened today. The stock went parabolic. I still don't think the move is done because usually when the stock retraces to either one of these levels, there's a great chance it's going to make its way to the 23.6% retracement, which is this blue line right here. Let me show you another example. This is ticker symbol PMEC. Again, crazy move on its IPO day. Then it slowly started making its way back up again, this time quicker than the last stock. So we use our Fibonacci retracement again from this low to this high at the time. And you can see how this daily candlestick retraced to the 50% retracement. So buying here would have been a great entry. And you can see in the days following, not only did it go to the 23.6% retracement, but it also went to the 61.8% retracement, which is this pink line right here. Another way to have looked at this is to draw a bearish Fibonacci retracement, and you do that by going from a high to a low. And so when you bought here, you could have held longer and wait for it to retrace to this bearish 50% retracement, which happens often with these stocks. So that finally brings me to ticker symbol WBUY. You can see the stock was a recent IPO too. After the initial crazy move, it finally started making its way back up. So if I draw a bullish Fibonacci from this low to this high, you can see the latest daily candlestick has bounced off really both the purple and orange line. So there's a good chance it can make its way up to this blue 23.6% retracement. Additionally, if you draw a bearish Fibonacci, you can see there's a good chance it can retrace to either one of these bearish retracements, which would give an excellent move to make money. So let's find out to see what it ultimately does. Remember, risk management is the most important, so our stop would be below this purple line, but our reward has so much potential. But anyways, if you guys enjoy this content, please hit the like button, consider subscribing for more videos. Good luck in the markets, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.